School virtual open house. A few student leaders and faculty members will take you on an insider's tour of our magnet school. We hope you enjoy our presentation and get all the answers to your lottery questions for the 2021-2022 school year. At this time, I would like to introduce our great principal, Ms. Donna Cullen.
Thank you for joining our virtual open house. As Luz Maria stated, I am Donna Cullen, the principal here at Maloney Magnet. I have been with the Waterbury School District for 32 years and a part of the Maloney family for over 18. I want to share some information about our lottery process. Maloney is grades pre-K through 5th. Each year, we fill 72 open pre-K seats. If you're applying for pre-K, your child must have been born in 2017. You may also apply for any other grade, kinder through 5th. All applications must be completed online, and a waitlist number will be assigned and mailed to the address you provide. Here are a few tips when completing your online application. Double check you applied for the grade your child will be entering next school year. You must have an email to apply. Be sure it is one you use often so you don't miss any communications. We will also call, so be sure to provide a phone number. Busing is provided for Waterbury K through 5 students, but not Waterbury Pre-K. Plymouth, Terryville, Thomaston, Wolcott, and Naugatuck all provide busing for our Maloney students. Applications must be completed any time between February 1st and March 1st. You may apply if you live in any city or town in Connecticut. If you need assistance at any time, don't hesitate to reach out. Our contact information, school website, and lottery website can be found at the end of this presentation. Our magnet themes here are science, technology, and multiculturalism. Students and staff have access to advanced technology on a daily basis. We have strong academic and social emotional programs for which we have gained many recognitions, awards, and national certification. A few of our student leaders and staff members will now share their thoughts on our school with you. I hope you enjoy.
Konnichiwa. My name is Aishina Magata, and I'm a 5th grader here at Maloney. Today, I'm going to talk to you about our Japanese program that we have here at Maloney. Our school celebrates diversity. We love learning about new languages and cultures. A big part of our school is our Japanese program. Grades pre-K through 5 all participate in this program. We learn how to read, write, and speak Japanese. We have classes 3 times a week in addition to our other magnet programs. In class, we celebrate many Japanese holidays. We learn about songs and poems about the topic we are studying. In the summertime, the 1st graders march in a festive summer parade. They wear traditional Japanese clothing provided by our school. They also eat sushi in our school cafeteria. Around the Japanese New Year, the 5th graders partake in a night of fun after school. They make mochi and origami. On graduation day for the 5th graders, we sing the song Tomorrow from the classic movie Annie in Japanese. We also participate in the National Nengajo contest. Our teacher nominates a few participants every year. Even in the pandemic, we still entered the contest. An event that the whole school participates, including the parents, is Multicultural Day. We have a stand where we try food from Japan and other cultures. My classmate Nila will tell you more about this. Just like these programs and events, we have many others. Learning Japanese has been a very unique and useful experience for me. Every few years, one of our Japanese teachers, named Kazumi Sensei, takes a trip to Japan. She takes along a few families. My family went about 4 years ago with 3 other families. During our visit, we went to a Japanese school and learned all about their curriculum. We also visited many famous landmarks and tried many different cultural foods. It was a phenomenal experience. The Japanese language is one of the most useful skills I have. Learning it with my classmates has been very fun and exciting. I hope to continue learning Japanese even after I graduate next year. Thank you for listening. Sayonara.
Vanakkam, which means hello in my mother tongue, Tamil. My name is Nila Sifmore. I'm a 5th grade student at Maloney Magnet School and a member of the Student Lighthouse team. Today, I will be talking about culture and the importance we give for it. Culture is important because everyone has their beautiful background that we respect and always want to learn more about. We have an event called Multicultural Night to share each culture's food, traditional dresses, and traditional dances, or can even sing songs. Each culture is represented by a station for each place's food. We also wear beautiful traditional dresses. Finally, we can dance traditional dances or can sing a song on the stage in the cafeteria. I love to learn more backgrounds and everything about it. We don't just share it, we sometimes experience it by visualizing it in our minds or even pictures. We sometimes have projects that include a little about yourself and your background. An example is we bring 3 things or less in a bag about their culture. Another example is the Winter Reading Challenge. After you read, you can decorate the mug with something from your culture that is important to you, and maybe even share it with your class. I've always loved culture for the past 7 years, and I'm gonna miss the activities. Everyone has their own identity that they rock at our school. Culture is not a subject, just a special little one I'm sure you will enjoy just like me. Nandri.
everyone. My name is Siobhan Kalmans. I'm a kindergarten teacher here at Maloney School. So much to love about being a teacher here at Maloney, but I think one of my favorite things is teaching my students about Stephen Covey's Leader in Me process. My students quickly learn the 7 habits, and they're eager to implement those habits into their daily lives here at school, but also at home with their families and out in their communities. They learn to be proactive, to come to school prepared. They learn to set goals for themselves and work hard to achieve those goals. They learn to work together with their classmates, and they learn to listen to one another. All of these things are so important in helping them be successful in school and as they move forward. Here at Maloney, we believe that all students can be leaders, and with hard work, they can all achieve their hopes and dreams. Thanks for your time.
Hi, my name is Karen Silva, and I've taught 4th grade at Maloney Magnet School for 19 years. I believe every child deserves an excellent education, regardless of their background. That is one of the many reasons I enjoy teaching at Maloney Magnet School. We are a multicultural school. We celebrate diversity, where each child has a voice. When students enter our classrooms, we look for the leadership potential in them. While not all may become leaders in life, every one of them learns what the leader in me means. How we teach and care for each student is very important in order for them to reach their full leadership potential. This is evident when the entire school comes together to create programs like Black History Night, Multicultural Night, or activities to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month. The key to the success of all these programs is that they are all student-led. I'll say it again, student-led. Students becoming leaders. Most importantly, Maloney Magnet School fosters a love for learning and respect in all of our students so that they can carry the same skills throughout their lives.
Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Hibbs. I am the reading teacher leader at Maloney Interdistrict Magnet School. I teach weekly reading lessons to students in grades 2 through 5. When I'm planning my lessons, I'm always conscious to choose multicultural text. I think it's important to incorporate our multicultural theme with my reading lessons. And the literature and passages that I choose reflect diverse cultures, traditions, and settings. Our science tech program also has a reading component. The books are aligned with our science theme, and they're based on world problems that students have to solve. Again, these books showcase diversity in cultures around the world. I am constantly trying to incorporate teaching cultural tolerance, and choosing multicultural literature allows me to achieve that goal. I just wanted to end with a quote from the great American poet Maya Angelou, and she says, quote, "In diversity, there is beauty and there is strength," end quote. When students attend Maloney Magnet School, they find tolerance for diversity, but the most important thing is teachers are always highlighting students' beauty, strength, and voice. So I am honored to be teaching at Maloney for the past 16 years, 21 in the Waterbury Public School systems. I hope that you consider joining us, and thank you for listening.